Hello and welcome to the Getting Started video tour of iSeed. When you download the application and start the application on the iPad, you will receive a screen like that, where you can log in or register here. Now, we haven't registered yet, so I want to do this with you here. Next. Now, when you first time register and enter the application, we're building a demo environment together for you, which will have some sample data you can use for playing around with it. Press OK. The first screen you're going to see is our dashboard. You can see here we're in a demo mode where we put together some demo data that you can have a look and feel how you can operate with the application. This dashboard is a sort of quick link to your major items, your pending tasks, your leads that you're working with, the pending deals, the contacts, your latest submitted forecast, and obviously the pending meetings that you have today. On the top left, you can see a small icon where you're able to switch to the other screens, like the contacts, the companies, the leads, tasks and activities, deals, and your personal settings. Now, when you enter screens the first time and there are some special controls operations, we've highlighted them with so-called coach marks. They will guide you how to operate with them. So in this particular case, we've got quick notes. I want to tap inside to change or edit it, and I want to tap outside to save it. So let's do this. I'm tapping inside and say, yeah, called Dina. And I'm tapping outside here to save it. On the top bar, you will find a little magnifying glass. If you tap on it, it will open a little drop down where you can search as you type. Now, you can either pick one of those choices or hit done to select all of them. Now, if you want to find out how iSeed operates, if you have some questions around it, simply press the help button, which will lead you to the right topic in the help file. On the left side, you can see you can also navigate to other topics and find out how these functions work. If you have some questions around the sales content iSeed provides, we have implemented the playbook. You can slide the playbook in from the right, which will give you some deep insight on the sales intelligence, but more on that on the deals tutorial. On the right side of the iSeed iPad application, you will see action buttons, which are always specific to the screen you're in. So here we are in contacts, and here you will be able to filter contacts, add new contacts, and so forth. A special one is the select mode, where when you click on select mode, it opens a subset of action buttons, which are relevant when you want to do bulk actions. For example, I want to merge some of the contacts or send them email or delete them. I can do a bulk action. Now let's get into contacts, where I would like to explain to you how the search and filter mechanism works in iSeed. So on the top of the bar, you can see the magnifying glass where I can do a search. So let's say I had a meeting with Planet Bank and I met the person. I need to scroll down. Her name was Dina. Here we go. And she expressed interest in a product group Alpha. So I'm going to flag her interest in the solution area Alpha. I'm tapping outside to save it. And then because marketing told me there's a business breakfast for product Alpha ahead, I want to filter all my contacts, which are business relevant, who want to receive newsletters and got the special interest of the product group Alpha. So I'm applying these filters and I'm getting a subset of these contacts who got the interest for product Alpha, which I'm going to invite for my business breakfast. So we're almost on the end of this tutorial. Two more important things though. Remember, we're still in the demo mode. Every data that you put in and import here will be deleted in the end. So if you want to start working, you want to switch into your productive environment, that's very easy by clicking settings, and on the lower left corner you will find this option where you can exit the demo. Let's do this. You can switch into your productive environment and all the data you will import and start working on here will be safe. Now, if you like what you've seen, and you would like to refer this application to a friend, that's also very easy. Simply click on I see it. This will open a small modal window where you can enter the email address of your friend, click send, and he will be invited to I see it. Now, thank you very much for your time, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the other tutorials.